My name is Nick Edwards. I'm the Pyramid Man. I've started researching and building pyramids since 1973. My company name is PowerOfPyramids with an S.com. PowerOfPyramids.com. My email is nickedwards@earthlink.net. I make antenna designed pyramids. They in the shape of the Cheops or Great Pyramid in Egypt, and I use the world's finest archery arrows and crystal connectors to hold the exact angles. And my pyramids are designed to be the finest in the world. They come with my precision treatment dish up on top. That's to treat a small object like a crystal. Precision compass, and my own design Cheops little crystal connectors. They come in various sizes, from the 10-inch research kit, which comes in a beautiful package for retail stores. And we make 15-inch, 20-inch, 25-inch, 30-inch, which you can see the 20-inch and 15 and 10-inch behind me. My biggest pyramid that I manufacture currently is the 42.5-inch mothership. This is my best-selling pyramid of all for the last 30 years, and it's designed to hang over the bed. It would hang lower than this, but so you can comfortably get in and out of bed. And it's used by all the actors, actresses, rock groups, singers, performers, from Sting to Mariah Carey. This is one of my favorite products. This is called the Dream Machine. It's based on a Cheops pyramid base to base. And it's different than the other pyramids because it's what I call a complete Cheops or Egyptian pyramid. In the ancient times, there was giant walls built around the pyramids in the pyramid complexes at Giza. When the Nile flooded, they would let the water in, close the gates so the water would be trapped. These walls are much stronger than be needed to keep people out. It was to keep the water in. And the reflected of the pyramid made it look base to base, and there's hieroglyphics and tombs in Egypt that were never disturbed until recently that talk about the greater energy when the pyramid was reflected. So this utilizes that technology. And this is a very powerful device. And it's named the Dream Machine because I've been told by everybody that sleeps with it, it would usually go towards the foot of your bed, and that their dreams are incredible. Dreams within dreams. And it's very popular for healers and masseuses because they work in small areas, and this can hang on an inside corner. Over here is my most advanced product. I developed it in the mid-'80s for surgeries. In an operating environment in a hospital, you cannot put a pyramid over the operating table because of the lighting and so forth. So I designed these to hang vertically on a wall. And as you see, the center of the grid has a mirror. It's an acrylic mirror. And you can see the reflected pyramid inside. And this will actually reverse. The longer you look at it, it starts reversing. And when it reverses, it pulls you into the dimension of wherever the other reflection exists. And if you want to pull away from it now, you can see the entire grid. It actually forms a lens. It's curved this way and this way because of the shorter pieces that make up a Cheops sacred geometry and angles. It creates a curvature. So we're taking 9 escaping vortexes, and they concentrate into an area kind of where my hand is here. And it's a very powerful device. A 30-inch collector pyramid can be attached behind it where it can hang over your bed while you're sleeping. And these come in the 10-inch base, and they come in 15-inch base. On my website, www.powerofpyramids.com, you can order the 2 best-selling books on pyramids, This is Pyramid Power by Max Toth. It's like a Bible of all the research done worldwide for the last 30 years, including a new chapter on the razor blade patent that was given to Czechoslovakia, and it took 10 years of science research to get that patent. The newest book that I have on the website is The Giza Power Plant by Christopher Dunn, and it's an amazing book. It covers the scientific evidence of machine marks on all the stones in the Great Pyramid. This was first noticed by Petrie about 150 years ago, but they didn't have milling machines or lathes, so he couldn't explain it. But there's definite concentric machine marks on all the blocks and total evidence of machining. These blocks fit so perfectly together that you cannot stick a business card between any of the 2,600,000 pieces. Very interesting book. Behind me is the pyramid salt lamp from Nepal. This is from Himalayan salt that was found underneath the Himalayas when that area was an ocean, and the compression of the weight of the mountain range created a very dense salt. These aren't Cheops angles, but it's a nicer looking shape for the lamp. And we also sell little obelisks and pyramids made out of quartz and other materials. And the little pyramids work very nice on top of the dish of the research kit. And changing the type of crystal will change your dreaming. If you have one of these next to your bed on a nightstand, if you don't sleep under the big pyramid. This is a Tesla coil powered pyramid. We use the Tesla coil to put a lot of energy into the pyramid. The pyramid acts as a spark gap on top to create the pyramid wave. And this is a 500,000 volt, high frequency, high energy pyramid charger. This is the life force entering in all directions, and it creates slowing down of the aging process and accelerated healing. I've designed it for doctors and healers to use to promote health and well-being. I'm going to zap myself with a 500,000 volts. It's perfectly harmless because it's the Tesla coil. That is the life force. This is my pyramid charger. This is a picture of this machine at night where you can get a lot better idea of what the energy looks like. But Tesla said when the Tesla coil was being detonated or turned on, something else was being carried with the lightning discharge. And you can see it in this picture. He said it would come off at right angles. It would be like a pink to a violet color, and you can see it everywhere. And this is the actual life force. This comes off of the discharge lightning bolt. And when I had my hand out like that, that was going into me, and you can feel it go through your body, and it feels like you're walking on air for a few minutes afterwards. And it's perfectly harmless, and it's used to heal people. It's used to keep people younger. It does what the pyramid does, except it does it much, much faster.